Today we're gonna make this amazing wedge salad. I love a great wedge salad. So today we have a whole romaine lettuce, peel off the brown edges, wash it, pat it dry, and we're gonna take that and we're gonna cut it in 4. Just like that. Put that right on the plate. Now we have 6 bacon strips. I cooked them, chopped them up nice and crispy. We're gonna put that right on top. Of our romaine. Next, we're gonna do red onion. So I'm gonna do half a red onion. I'm just gonna slice it around our wedge. Next, we're gonna have cherry tomatoes. So a pint of cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them in half. So we've cut our cherry tomatoes. We're gonna add this to our platter here. Blue cheese crumble. This looks amazing, delicious. And now our dressing. So we have mayo, sour cream, mix those. We have either buttermilk or I have milk here that I'm gonna add lemon juice. Whisk that in. And then we have our spices. We have 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can do salt and pepper to taste. Worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right? Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. And I'm gonna mix that together. And then I'm gonna add in more blue cheese crumble to this. It's our own homemade blue cheese. Obviously you could use store-bought blue cheese as well, but I just wanted to give you guys the recipe to make it at home. And then we're gonna add in our blue cheese crumble to that. Give it a nice little toss. And then we're gonna put this on top of our salad. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig in. Look at this. For the full recipe and hundreds of other salad recipes, check out my website at nikkigleckis.com.